Anything, something is beeping on your end.
Just chopped liver for Draco.
What's that?
What do you mean?
You moved me last, bro? What the heck? I'm
Did
just
I?
kidding. Yeah.
I didn't realize it was that deep, bro. My bad.
Is Aaron
I
still in the
usually
server?
I moved Mayhem last just because I said something nice to him yesterday.
That's
You remember what I said to you?
no clue. Probably don't care.
I said I love you, Pookie. You don't
Oh
care?
man.
Wow,
Well,
that's real nice.
I didn't get it. He didn't say that.
Love each other, guys.
he definitely did not say that. Yo,
I
can you,
did, bro. How do you not remember?
dude? I was on
Why are
such
you
a hiatus.
gaslighting me?
Yo, honestly, remember, I kept leaving back and forth because I had the DOB people knocking on my door. So even if you did, I probably didn't hear it. Yo,
You were here when
Luke
we
and
transferred everybody
Silent.
else over, though. But regardless,
Can you do the whole banning thing in the main trading chat, please? Cause I would love to instigate some shits right now.
You want to be an instigator?
I'm not even denying it. I'm asking for it.
You just want drama, man. That's all you want.
I
You're
duh.
like,
absolutely.
trading's so boring today, I gotta fill my life with something else.
I mean, dude,
We've come a
lunch
long
went
way,
into
Anaton.
lunch went up, and then it just instantly went for a purge. I don't think it could get more boring than that.
Bro, look at this. Would you trade this? Like,
I can't see
Whoa.
price, Luke. I don't know what I'm looking at.
exactly. I can't either. Let's clean up a bit.
Is that all of your indicators on at the same time?
Not all of them. Let me turn that.
It's gonna be like freaking crazy.
That's not too bad.
Will it even load?
Yes, brother. Reject the quarter. Yes.
Oh, did we just hit 0.25?
Give me a
Well,
second.
actually, hold on.
Are you guys in a trade?
I'm in a short loop.
No.
I'm in a short as well.
Alright.
I was in a short, but I took another 100 ticks off it, and then just ended it there.
Nice.
We're back
Oh yeah, I see it. You're right.
afternoon FP from.
Sweep short again. Weekly open, previous day.
Wait a
open,
minute.
load up. Nice.
That's AM. Wait a minute. Yeah.
It seems like it was, what day was it? Tuesday or
This
Monday on
morning's FP.
repeat?
Today's the 27th.
Oh, Monday. Monday. It was definitely
3/27,
Monday.
2020.
I'm closing my Ninja Trader. I don't want to trade anymore. I got my 20 bucks above my last balance. Huge W. Huge.
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 You're up 3k.
W.
Yeah, up 3. I think I don't want to push my luck anymore.
Nice.
I pet that dog.
He's sleeping.
So we're streaming on YouTube, but there's only one viewer.
The day that you turned off your YouTube stream, could you tell any like performance enhancements?
Oh, it's good. It's
On
just
your end.
there's nobody watching. Can you guys like go on like the YouTube link and just have it in the background muted and stuff, just so we can get some views, some likes?
Where is it? Let me
Dude,
follow.
make your trades into shorts, man. Nobody watches like delayed live streams anymore. We'll give you the views. Like I'll run my phone on that stream, but just make everything into shorts now. We were just like I heard you guys talking about how little kids have zero attention span, bro. Just make them into shorts.
I tried making shorts, it didn't. I don't know, man. I think like YouTube, when you start getting likes and stuff and views, you start pop up on the stream, like on the page, and it grabs a lot. There's millions of people on YouTube. You can just get like 10, 50 to start with. That'd be great.
Here, I'll send you.
I
I'll
just
watch you on my
liked it
phone.
for you.
Seems like we're gonna have to expand to Twitter and Telegram to funnel people in. Or
That's
not Telegram, TikTok.
Yeah.
yeah, that's exactly.
Start funneling people in from ICT's Telegram.
Just start spamming it in TS chat.
Yeah,
A lot of the people there, though, I don't know.
like I'm literally scared of sending this meme in top step chat. Hold on, because I'll probably get banned.
No, I mean, I was just joking. Don't do it. It's not worth
Live
it.
funded account, brother. You can't ban me.
No, there was
They're like, watch.
shisha traders in the picture in that gif, and they were like, ah, no, self promo. Bullshit stuff. I'm up 1K on the funded though. Shall I just go on paper? I don't know. I wanted to go over the
Paper,
sweep
new
strategies.
eval. Anything to not give away the band.
I want to
I
say
mean-
this is just literally like some sort of a relief back up until we go further down now.
If it goes over 0.60s, I'm chilling and stopping out. I'm not.
Bro, look at this. Yes, I'm gonna make a PDF of our sweep strategy. Put it on our website with the Ori as well. We'll talk with Silent later on. But London
Or
swept
during
previous
macro too, yeah.
London swept previous session high. Gave a chosh. Boom. Nuke AM swept previous session low. Gave a chosh. Boom. Nuke AM swept previous session high. Gave a chosh. Boom. Another chosh. Boom. NQ left in the same T there, so we didn't really get a chosh. Didn't get a sweep, but here, Nuke AM, we swept premium session low. We got a chosh, we took that trade. Nuke AM swept premium session high, we took that short. So I'm pretty sure I took 12. Hold on. So sweep, I took the short and I took it for TP there, and then sweep, got chosh, and I took that trade as well. So that made 1K today. So you guys are seeing lower today?
No, I just have such a good entry that even if it stops me out, it'll still be good.
We rejected the quadrant 0.25 at 2011, so I don't think we'll go any lower, but you know, I could be wrong.
Well, we basically
I mean,
the
either this
8:30, the 9:30, weekly open, previous daily low. So there's so much confluence here. We have London lows as well. Like it's probably gonna consolidate here, or do a rejection. I cannot tell this. Yeah. What I can tell you though is I do not want to trade this a short. Look at this.
it's okay, Luki. I'm about to get stopped out in like 2 points anyways.
No, I'm saying you short, like if you short around here, that's great. But I don't want to look shorts here because I agree with you. We're doing basically OT. We swept premium session high. We OT'd into this area. We OT'd in this area. Now we should be flushing now. But like the amount of high resistance to the low side. No. Like yesterday in Asia, this shouldn't have happened. This drop shouldn't have been happened. It dropped. It gave SMPs here. But it should have just opened and it went straight to previous weekly high. That was our target, and it came there and then it dumped all the way down from there.
That stop you out there, Mayhem?
Bro, it stopped me out for 1 point. I swear on everything. If this candle just flips it into a bearish order block, I'll be pissed. But can't be too mad.
A hell of a short.
No, I honestly I thought like that little consolidation and everything was gonna end up stopping me out earlier, but luckily it didn't, and I still got a massive extension after, so I'm not really crying about it.
Nah.
Oh, good.
That's some wild shit, bro. Must okay.
Uh, I don't know. I don't feel like trading.
Dude, you don't be forced to trade just because you're up for the stream now. Like, a lot of the good moves already happened, like the low risk sells, the low risk buys and shit like that. So
Don't
Yeah,
feel
I,
pressured, bro.
yeah, I'd say take a chill and relax and let price action figure out what it wants to do.
yeah, if opportunity presents itself, I know you'll catch it, but no reason to force something that we don't understand.
Yeah.
Straight up.
Straight up. Yeah, no.
Bro, I swear on everything, man. I'm about to get this better go continue going back up.
You gotta
What's
basic
the
equilibrium.
what are we seeing on the daily? Oh, we're on a doji on the daily.
Oh shit, I forgot to check. Thanks for reminding me. Bro, I hate stuff on my
Hey.
chart. I hate stuff on my chart so much.
Oh yeah, we're chilling. It's fine.
We're
It's not the
bullish.
first time they would stop me at this time. It seems like Monday on replay, leaving behind the lunch highs from yesterday at 217s, instead pulling back, doing a OTE retest. So
Yeah.
maybe PM, if it wants to replicate anything from Monday, we might get a really nice move the last hour and a half back upwards.
So we open, manipulate it up, and we're distributing now?
Body.
We open, manipulate up, then this one's looking bearish downside. But we have a bullish order flow. I mean, sorry, bullish order blocks.
Yeah, that's the only thing I can't figure out because ES, I mean, obviously so far we got like a small ABC correction, but it can easily turn into a market maker sell model because I do see the distributions and then the reaccumulations and then distributions again, but I can't sit around here to find out.
I mean, on the 5 minute, this looks like a buy model. You have vertical consolidation. Is this the first stage of accumulation, or is this a return to original consolidation? You get a second leg here. You might get one more leg down, smart money reversal, and then come back up. Because look at this, we did double purge. We have accumulated PM, Asia, and London, pretty much the same. We manipulated down. Not manipulated. We swept lower and higher. So this is double purge. So what I expect the rest of the day to do is this, pretty much. Consolidate. With the like with the longs being more in favor, like leaning towards the longs a little bit more. Yeah, we got 4 views on.
Send the link to that on the chat. I'll open it from my phone for you.
Bet. Bet. Oh, someone sent it already. Thanks.
No, got
Abby.
it.
Nice.
Um, pretty much today all we can do is scout. Look, N-Dog, N-Wog, previous Taylor, all these. Is silent in here?
Yes, sir.
What do you think, brother?
Let me take a look here. I was dealing with our problem. You looking along?
I'm not looking for anything right now.
Oh, I was about to say it looks. I mean, it looks decent. So I run to. I look for 2100 maybe.
Nice. I kind of agree, but I just wish we tapped into these first presentations. Like it came so close to them. So like for me to consider longs
Wait,
after
didn't
the
it?
index. No, it didn't. Like on the micro at least. Did I do it on the MQ? Bro, why am I getting 13
What candle are you using for first presentation?
1300 MS? Um, no.
Trying to get some activity going.
I was trying to get Tanya trades in here. So yeah, even on NQ it didn't tap it.
Oh, but I'm using the 932 as first presentation. That's why.
I'm talking about the Thursday.
Oh, Thursday. Today is Thursday, no?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
There's
that
two.
is
There's
correct.
There's one with a volume imbalance and there's one with an FU sheet. Anyway, this is the mitigation block right here with the. This is the mitigation block.
That's exactly what I'm looking at right now, Luke.
Noisy, noise, noisy, noise.
Mhm.
But if I want to consider longs, I have to invest this 5 minute. Yeah, we can see if we can target these. We took internals, we took externals, we took internals, but the problem is we swept both sides, so best thing you can do is basically return to equilibrium. Which is what it's exactly where it is right now. Tiny, tiny, tiny 15 minute mitigation. I can't even long this.
Are we rejecting CE of that 15-minute mitigation block too?
Yeah. I think short spine.
That's all we've really offered so far on 5-minute.
I might short it to this level here.
Five points, man. 5 points. That's how much
Where's
breathing room
Peter?
I needed.
Where's Peter?
Is there a joke? I don't know.
Chad. He said he turned his name to Peter. So his
Oh.
nickname now is Peter.
Not really shit fill. I'll go by stop loss to break even. See if we can hold some 2 runners. Got this hold of it. I want to target the 5-minute one, to be honest with you, but like.
You know, there actually could be a nested market maker sell coming in play because ES and
Looking
NQ
5
they
minute, that's what I see, bro.
yeah.
Like pre-market is original consolidation. The low of the day so far, that was SMR.
Because it doesn't seem like we might put out a new low unless, like, obviously it gets aggressive. But maybe, just maybe, we could go for that last fair value gap because all the indexes left them behind. And that could finish the last stage of distribution.
Are we looking for short or long? Because I'm long right. I'm short right now.
I'm in a long on paper, but it's just 1 micro.
I'm looking for my slipper right now. I found it.
Tapped into this mitigation. Our stop loss should be above it. Yes, we do, but how much would we risk on that?
Oh,
I
I
was
didn't
gonna-
even know you could favorite
I was
gifts.
gonna add two
Silent.
more. Dang. Came back to this mitigation.
Oh, what did I pull? How nice is it when the algorithm actually makes a fair value that you can take entry on and it does something from it?
Literally. One of the nicest feelings in the world.
I'm gonna leave
Do
one
more,
run
do
at this
more.
market. Plus TP here. Should go to break even. See if we can hold that. I wanted to go break even, but he did it so fast. It's gonna stop us now. Half of what we just made. It's 1 minute. This is the 1 minute first presentation. I wanted to go break even, guys, but as soon as it hit TP, it just flipped. I mean, I guess we made $50 and we just gave away $20 again. Now I'm looking more in longs, but it's high time frame is so bearish. If this wasn't here, guys, if this wasn't here. Still go though. Stop loss has to be above this mitigation. But it touched our target. That's the only trade I can find for you. PS can still go lower, but it's holding the previous daily low. Yep, it just stopped us out. Whoever changed term delivery here, bullish, so we have the FP, so if we can scalp along, it would be nice. Maybe at OTA. But look at this. I don't know want to long through this. I do not want to short through this. You see?
I wish there was some sort of function on Top Step where, like, as soon as your first take profit level hits,
Yeah.
it
Yeah,
moves your
automatically puts your
breaks
break
to
even.
yeah.
Wouldn't that be
Like, it's not
nice?
that big of a deal, you know? Is there?
ATM
Damn.
strategy. Untrade
Yeah,
it.
that's. But Ninja, it has to be like an add-on because it doesn't automatically pull it to break even. It still has to be
Mm.
manually done.
And it's as simple on Top Step as just like hitting the button right next to, like, because I have my Dom up, it's just a little button that says BE. It's as simple as that, but in case I'm AFK watching a trade or something
If you
like
have
that.
an entry anywhere above the 43s, 48s, like that last fair value, just put it to break even. I don't think if you guys seen again.
That was
Say
that
less.
was pretty
Just
much
moved in.
that was pretty much our entry.
My entry is 52.75.
We should go fill this
Oh,
volume
shit.
imbalance, guys. 1-0-11. If you guys
Gotta
still on this
Oh
fill
my
trade,
my entry.
goodness, brother.
stop on.
I honestly think we're gonna
Should be
go
quick.
for like
The 5-minute fair value.
940 lows, bruh. Not time of
We
day,
still
but
need to
like
fill the VI, right?
940.
TP it,
We
guys.
filled
TP
it.
it, guys. TP.
Filled it? Or we wicked it?
Chill, I'm trying to get that last 5-minute gap.
I think you'll get it.
Bruh.
Please,
Oh
hold your
my.
simulated shorts, please. That
Don't tell me
takes
what to
them off.
do. Shout out Grace and Glory, man.
Right, the last two micros.
It is a.
Dropping
TP.
that knowledge.
It's insane, man.
I only have one micro, so either it works or it doesn't work. Trying to get this freaking last distribution for the market maker sell. This is honestly though, if we do get that last distribution, this is a very, very clean market maker sell, like extremely clean.
On the 5-minute, dude, it's pretty nice.
Yeah, assuming it works. But these immediate rebalances are not fun because that's the same exact shit
No.
they did at like 127.
Still wanted to come back to this area. This is the draw right now. If we close above this area, I'm looking for longs for the rest of the session. Pretty much.
Yeah, I'll agree with you on that. If it takes my break even out again, then it's probably gonna flip.
Hit that big green candle with a big old red candle, bro.
And then dig even lower.
Exactly.
Damn, bro, I really got stopped up by like 5 points, son. That's wild.
Story of my life today, dude. The entries are just a smidge off to where my stop loss just, ugh. Nasty.
I see why though. I really do.
You guys still see lower?
Well, if this is a real market maker sell model, then we're gonna get that last leg for distribution into the 5-minute gap that was created at what time is this? 9:45. And if it's not a real market maker sell model, then it's probably gonna stop us out.
I took a OTE and incremental stop loss about 0.79, stop loss at the high.
Pretty much looking for anywhere under like 996. I'll be content with that, even if it doesn't fill out that last gap perfectly. 996. Yeah. And I still have my stop at 43s, which is my break even.
There's a 20k level, you know. They might do some BS there.
You make a valid point.
You make a
Man,
very
I'm not-
valid point.
you make a valid point there,
Wait.
Luke. Thank you for that, honestly.
So I'm gonna put it just in case 10 points above, and then the other one at 5 points above, and then I'll leave one for run. Still holding this inversion. Fill this volume imbalance. So that's the job of this pump, is to fill this volume imbalance and come back to this mitigation block.
Yeah, we got a little indigo model, volume imbalance and order block. Now it just needs to just dump it right back down. Hopefully.
But remember, we
Let's
inside
not
the
use the word hope.
today's 1 minute thingy. Plus presentation. Alright, mental stop loss if it close below that, above this. I think I'm gonna go to the black because I can't see shit. Why is it doing that? Alright.
Oh, you're not gonna do that NQ. Don't do it.
Closes above, I have to close the trade prematurely. Alright, closed above. I'll move my stop loss to this high.
Dump it.
Why is it doing this, guys? Can you see
Dump
this?
it.
What the fuck? Nah, it closed above
None of this
0.7
wick
behind.
bullshit.
It shouldn't take out this high anymore. If it does, it's gonna be bad finish. So might as well just put the risk there. It's not gonna finish.
So far rejected off of 124 medium
They
threshold
use-
OB.
They use me as liquidity.
Can you get stopped down?
Yeah, by literally like 2 ticks, bro.
Brother.
Bruh. We're probably gonna get stopped
It's
down.
fine.
That's unfortunate.
I just like
Nah, I was
section
able to
and stuff
catch the
like
lunch drop, so it's the lunch drop was still better. It's fine. Just trying to add a little
Hope you're
bit of
still up for the
panic.
day, bro. Good
Oh
shot.
yeah. I
W.
only keep trading at this time if I have some cushion to work with on the day, but
Yeah.
if I don't, I'm usually done by lunchtime.
Hell yeah.
potential mitigation book to close below this.
Oh, it's PM just opened. They probably double purged my ass.
I see a bullish in honest opinion, guys. I see a very bullish. But let's see if we can.
Yeah, let me. I'll mute myself now because I do not want to mess with your bias.
There's a chance you could be right from here now.
I am in the shorts though, so help me.
I mean, the fact that we're still awaiting the last distribution, like they can accumulate as much as they want from here as long as they don't take it back up to that swing high, which they really shouldn't, because that's just how market maker cells work. So the way I look at it is if the model is correct, you shouldn't have to worry too much.
Brother.
What's up, brother? Oh, Pigeon's
What's
here. It's
up,
gonna pump, guys. It's gonna
Pigeons?
pump.
He's
Pigeon's here.
back.
Pigeons, no.
No, I got
Pigeons.
Wait,
20 minutes. 20
If that's
minutes.
the case,
20
if that's the case,
minutes.
Pigeons, yeah, leave.
Pigeons, we don't have 20 minutes. We'll get stopped at 10 times in that 20 minutes.
I need you to leave.
You
JK.
know the funny part, I told you 12:30, just watch, I'm gonna go to the meeting. I actually laughed. Like, shit.
Shit. You're a real G, Pigeons. I hope you know that.
And whatever, I guess we'll find out. Yeah, anyway.
Alright, if we close below this low right here, we're gonna get mitigation.
Ooh.
Oh, there we go. TP1 hit,
Ooh.
I think.
Oh,
TP1 hit, TP1 hit.
mayhem, bro.
Trust me, I am
to
not
button
mad. It doesn't bother me anymore.
I feel for you because I've been in your shoes.
TP2 is about to hit.
There's nothing worse.
TP2 hit,
Well,
guys.
I'll be
Position
happy.
off.
I get just as happy seeing the model play out, whether I'm in it or not.
What
If-
the? Oh.
Alright, TP2 hit.
last
The recognition of it, honestly, if it ends up playing out to like the objective I want to see, that'd be nice.
What's your objective?
I want to see new low a day.
My only
Yeah,
problem.
yeah.
The reason why I called it a nested market maker cell and not the market maker cell is because the way the first few distributions happened, I do not think we're gonna go to a low because the
On the
fact
buy
that they
curve or
keep
the sell curve?
on the sell
Or
curve
wait.
so far,
Okay, yeah.
because every bottom so far has been a significant 5-minute gap, and the fact that they keep stopping the distributions at the 5-minute gap, it just makes me think that like all they're trying to do is just fill out those gaps that they left from this morning, and then we reassess the situation.
5-minute
And
model, the accumulation really doesn't look that clean.
Just keep it in mind. If they keep it here, they will pump it again above 40. If
Don't worry.
Yeah,
Hey,
don't
regardless
worry.
of what ends up happening, like I'll be completely content. Stops are break even, so we're chilling.
Yeah.
if it's a
I
nested
think that's
model,
like the new log low again.
yeah,
yeah, that's and it just happens to line up with the
That's
bottom of the
70.
5-minute gap.
We can hold this run a little bit more, to be honest with you. You wanted 996? What's that
I go to-
996?
996 is just my low-hanging fruit target. My actual number is 988 because that's where the bottom of the gap is. And since it's so close to the low of the new week opening gap, they can tag out both if they like. But
Oh,
I was
baby.
just looking for 996 because it's the bottom of the 5-minute gap.
Bruh.
And they keep holding that NWOG CE, so they don't want to get rid of it for now. Like every time they touch it down a little bit, it pumps. There you go.
The third leg is always the most miserable one, so I'm not even surprised.
Yeah, it looks weaker now than this morning. It was doing well, and then they just effed it a little bit.
I got stopped out at
Yeah.
profits.
I'm sorry, dude, but I told you they're gonna hold it here. It's gonna run 40, probably 239.40 above.
I think we're up
Yeah.
150 for the day. Start with 1075, 1045, I'm not sure. Like, yeah, 1045. Just small scalps, like I said, guys, small scalps. This is the best we can do from this range. Look at this is insane. OTE again. Right here, maybe. Remember, it's a figure level, 20k. They're gonna play this. Yes, but like shorts again here might be nice. I'm not gonna probably participate. Actually, we have this mitigation block, so we can technically. We should have just left that.
And you guys look. Let me ask you another question, dude. Do you guys look at that first presentation from 9:30 again throughout the day, or you ignore it as soon as you get into the other times?
The whole day, the next day, the next day. Like this first presentation, like we have first presentation from like last week, last Thursday.
No, I understand that, but I mean like throughout today, because I see you guys talking in the chat saying, okay, there's a first presentation like for the 2 p.m. time, I guess, or something, or like actually, I mean for like 1 p.m. time.
Oh, that's a PM.
For my,
There's one for an AM session and there's one for a PM session.
oh, okay. So when the PM session goes in, you still keep the one for the AM session as well, and you keep running with those as well.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Got it.
I want to attempt another shot here. I don't know.
When I leave at 2:00 for meeting, then you can short it again. I'm just kidding.
Okay. We're gonna wait 19 minutes, guys.
I'm just kidding, man. Do whatever you can. Maybe we set a bot with my meeting calendar. I'll send you my meeting calendar in private. Maybe you set a bot around it.
Yeah. Send us your schedule. We'll make a bot about it, I swear.
Oh my gosh. That would be so funny.
And if it works, and if it's that be probable, that would be the best bot ever, probably.
Yeah, I agree, bro. I swear.
Oh man.
Alright, I'm smacking a short here. Oh, such a bad fail.
Yeah. We haven't been able to shake opening range, 0.5 standard deviation, or the NWOG, 0.5 equilibrium. At least like so far in this last 2 hours or so.
Hold on, I need to clear my chart a bit. I can't see candles again.
You got so much red in there. You're looking for that blood, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a gay bear today.
I knew it.
I said today, don't get your hopes up, Mayhem.
Hey man, like you said, like I told you earlier, it's nice to still recognize.
Besides, I'm too expensive for your tastes anyway.
Bro. Can somebody please mute him?
I'll mute myself.
First presentation is going to be a key here.
First presentation and get knocked out like it didn't mean.
You talking about PM or AM?
The AM.
Yeah,
Consolidating now.
we're trading back through PM right now.
Where's the PM one?
Opened up as a busy. PM is
There has
yeah,
no, there has
1336
been.
candle.
We don't really have a big one, which is a small one so far.
This one?
Yeah, 1336.
Yes.
That 1 minute.
That one's like it's a okay, pause. That one's this I can't talk today. This one's a decent size.
Hey
It's
yo.
not like it's not terrible. We're talking
I just
about
realized I was looking at delayed
imbalance
data.
size.
You might use
Luke,
How many you be looking at?
the way I look at it is your sweep that it felt off of London earlier today. So when we came down from London, we swept London on New York AM. You have that little wick that just take you down and it dragged the price down. This is where they're trying to save right now because they went above it and they held it. If they start breaking this and they fall, it will come down. If not, they will keep it around here to try to push it up.
They're gonna keep around here until you're in your meeting, bro.
Yeah. Okay, do you want me to go? And
No, I don't.
The second he leaves, bro, it's just gonna dump.
It's respecting the first presentation, bro. I just want to take that $40 and just call it we made 200 today.
Yeah.
I'm about to get in a macro time here too. 5 minutes.
I want to keep my stop loss above this mitigation block, but like I'm just too scared right now. I want to add though. Queen versus FP. This FP, bro, though. Do we use it as an inverse though? Really hard place to trade, guys. That's why I'm just so small size.
Man.
Disrespecting the first presentation. It might come back to this area and then drop again.
Yeah, they will keep messing around till 2 o'clock, I guess. 2 p.m. time. There you go.
We just lost the
They don't want to get up here. Yeah. Was that in the, here we go, here's the 2040. So because of that, also CE and that box of the sweep. Look, you taught me a sweep, so and I trust it more with my levels than anything. But they kept it and they don't want to give it up. And you got like an order block on the 5 minute, like 2 of them back to back. Now they need to work on 63 and 80. Sorry guys, if I came for that half an hour and the market went.
Look at this pump, bro. All of it, all because of
It had a
guys.
delayed reaction to you joining the live stream.
You know what? I'm gonna put my calendar on the wall too. Just
To go take a piss. Looks like NQ came with me.
There's 5 points for this trade.
It's okay, Draco.
Honestly, I might honestly call it there. It's a good first day on the fucking fleet of XFAs. Up 550 basically.
Nice, brother. Yeah, call it a day if you're done.
Yeah.
We're
Yeah.
already up on
Yep.
RK on the day. We're just playing around with like.
Yeah.
some
I'm
stuff
locked
up.
out. We're chilling.
Nice.
We're locked out. We're chilling.
Yo, the craziest part is NQ's just more despicable because ES still looks like the structure's attacked.
If
Ah,
I look
man.
back, bro, and it fucking delivered to that target, I might cry.
I don't cry.
Yeah,
I'm
but
going to,
ES,
and I'm gonna send you a
ES is trying
video.
to take that 50-70
Oh,
40.
definitely cry then.
Yeah.
That 50-70-40 is important for ES, and that's why they're trying to fight too over there. But still, it's not anymore.
Let's get this shit that Paul right.
All right, I did one more, and I'm moving my stop loss up.
Where did you stop at?
I don't know. 38.
80?
We're up 200 right now. There we go. Come on, 250. Hit TP, baby.
Oh, you went long.
Yeah.
Oh,
Come on, almost
oh I
1,000
thought.
TP. 300. There we go. Beautiful. We just paid 300 bucks.
Awesome, brother. Awesome.
Let's fucking go. Oh,
It's a nice view that you flip while I'm here.
yeah. I just wanted to flip longs before Pigeons goes away.
Oh man.
Here you go. Here's 63 coming up. Take it.
Yeah. So you see, guys, here
There
when
you go.
I'm not sure of the price selection, so I was with 2 micros, 3 micros, 4 micros maximum. On ES, I was in 2 minis because it's very nice. Look, trend displacement. We have Pigeons in the chat, so that's our big #1 indicator. And then we had a breaker block. So once we closed above it, we came back. I didn't like form it in. I waited for it to come back to the breaker block, which is also an order block opening price right here. We entered the trade right there, just above it. It was a bit delayed. And we target this 5 minutes. So whatever it does here doesn't want to go down again. We don't care. We already made it out.
I just posted the chart for you in the chat.
Yeah, Pigeons, we need to schedule a lesson with you, bro. Like it's
Yeah, man, I know.
it's
I
been
swear, man.
fire, bro.
But I tell you, like, weekends is better for me. But if I can try to do it one time at night, but I don't know if anybody's gonna be there. Like most of the people will be around or no. And what I've done over here is very simple, by the way. And you and I will talk about this many times too. But it just once you understand the sequence, why the sequence here is important for each one of those lines.
Yeah, we'll schedule it, bro. Like schedule it. Just send.
Yeah.
I'll send you the link, not the link, the command to schedule thing, and then we'll be there. Okay, whatever day is, but make sure it's like 1 or 2 days beforehand.
Yeah, absolutely. I know.
All right. Well, chat, drop W's in the chat, please. Patrick is up 3K. Damn, bro. I'm up 300. He's up 3,000, bro. Like it's always 10x whatever we make.
It's easy. You just need to long and loop shorts.
I think it was you took a long. Patrick, you took a long on the ES, right?
I did earlier.
Yeah, I did right now.
Oh, nice.
I have actually. I did it on 2 accounts. I did it one on the mini and one on the micro. I have still 1 micro runner from that low. I'm gonna keep it to the end of the day. They can do whatever they want.
Nice. Oh, we have 1,400 for today, guys. 2 sweep trades, 1 nice trade on ES. Take profit, guys. Get trade profit because if let's say we made 600 more, I can withdraw it. Like I opened this account today. Same day profits. Profits do look nice though. Now we came back into this jumble of bearish entities right here. 5 minutes to respecting an IOFD right there. This place we can go through these levels now.
And ES is not sustaining that 40. They need to push hard if they're gonna do a better.
We'll take one more trade to these lows. We'll just call it a day, and then just like Drake. We're on 18 days with win streak, guys. That's almost a month.
MashaAllah, brother. MashaAllah.
MashaAllah, brother.
Yeah.
Going for these lows, yes. Thank you. It's nice. If we close below this, hold on.
Man, NQ thinks it's Q, bro. It's really not.
Now it's about to go for the lows, bruh.
Yes.
The third leg
look.
will always be miserable. Doesn't matter how far your target is. It's always miserable.
Look at like the yeah. Look at the
Okay.
velocity off.
I'm gonna go prep for the meeting, so if you guys wanna take the short, maybe. I'm
As
just
he's
kidding.
talking about it, bro.
Do whatever you guys want.
See you, brother.
Later,
See
guys.
ya, P-John.
Great short here, guys. Yes.
What the hell? P-John's is market maker confirmed.
He is. Look, the moment he goes, it starts thumping.
Yeah, dude, that's what I'm saying.
Look, instead of a
He
charge
joined,
here,
we rallied, he left. We're tanking.
yeah. He joined. He joins. Join. P. Jones. Great shorts, guys. Great shorts. The same draw. If you guys want to take it, you can. I'm just gonna call it a day. But if you guys want to short anywhere here or inside this mitigation, stop loss about the mitigation, and then take the draw. So like this. We have the mitigation. We start flushing now. Otherwise, we get incentives. I don't think we're gonna get incentives. We might get incentives. That's just $50 on this trade. No more than 2 micros, guys. No more than 2 micros, please. Don't do where you do like this. Is I'm not convicted with this trade much. I just know it's a breaker block. And we have SMTs. That SMT can hold, and we have an FPG, so this is a great entry. Great entry, but it's a low conviction entry. That's why I'm in 2 micros. Like Patrick, don't go in with 10 minutes. We have SMTs. These can hold.
Oh.
We made like $300. Just more than $300 because we have these include these trades as well. But so we're just $50 on this trade, no more. Potentially making 74 more bucks. I really can't see these structures though. I want to see it smash down real fast, like real fast. If it doesn't, I might just close the trade. We'll decrease our stop loss a little bit. So actually $50. Decrease risk. It shouldn't manipulate more. Like if it goes back up, it's not going to be manipulated. It's going to just go up. So decreasing the size by the risk by almost 12 points to 7 points. S&P is holding right now. Gonna go ahead and remove this breaker. Gonna go ahead and remove this because I can't see shit. Gonna just highlight this. Stop loss optimally just above it. This mitigation block. This is above it, but like I don't really want it to go up there anyway. I'm just gonna use the bodies.
You love BPRs.
BPR? Oh nice, we have BPR so we can put a stop loss there. That's cool, brother. I need it to flush now, real fast. New candle opens in 1 minute. I mean, like the 2 o'clock, so the new 4-hour candle will open.
You better be rushing down. Because I don't like how they stall it out right before a new hourly is about to open. It's the most annoying thing ever.
Yeah. But it may pump on the 2 o'clock, so let's hope it just dumps, manipulates down, then goes up. Risking $25 in this trade, making 8. You don't want to see it go above this BPR. I'm respecting it already. Picked up to fill this volume imbalance. We have that. Should be good. We have this inversion first presentation below us as well. Right. Here's our stop loss to $10. Oh no. But we were back up. I never mind. Yep. We lost $20 on that trade. I think that's it. We can call it a day, guys. I told you the 2 o'clock. Since we're bearish, it has to open, manipulate up, and then distribute. I wanted this to go down and then do whatever it wants. Well, it's forming immediate rebalance right now. Finish. Yeah, let's just call it there, guys. $300 is not bad. Calling it a day. Congratulations to Wiserman, Addington, Hay, Off, Not Mayhem. All of you now have access to the whole server basically if you maintain your minutes, your hours on the streams, like market reviews, AM, PM, stuff like that. Wow, look at his pump. I expect this 4-hour to manipulate up and then distribute it down. Big Popper. Yeah, I saw that video, but there's another same video with a title being discussing See. Hello? Hello.
Does it automatically do that every time you join?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like, I think it's like some sort of nitro add-on.
So, yeah, like I said, guys, it purged both sides of the range, so it's gonna end the day somewhere within here, somewhere between this high and this low.
I was gone. I came back. My long, my 1 micro long is still in play.
Let's go.
Let's go.
That's crazy.
I longed at 2052.
Oh shit. It's set there now. Yes.